Hey everyone, welcome on in. Happy Friday. We are going to continue with our HTML, JavaScript, CSS app that allows you to draw on my face. It's going to be a remote user. We've done this before. This time, though, I'm going to create an overlay on my face. I haven't made any plans. I don't know what the strategy is that we're going to be using for that. I'm just going to try to build the app first, which we started with. You can see some of the code that we wrote yesterday. We're gonna, how's it going there, Ryan Cooler? Oh, Ryan Cool Roblox, good to see you. Agony, welcome on in. Hey, Collab, good to see you first. Hey, you tried. Hey, Quick Fix, good to see you as well. Bro, no, I know, you almost made it. Hey, good to see you. Hey, Tubercio, big brother, welcome on in, good to see you. Hey, Ruchi, yo, how's it going, everybody? Good to see you. Hello, pal, welcome on in. We're gonna continue with our HTML, JavaScript, CSS here. We got part of this working. Finally, your idea. Yeah, you did it. Yeah, Quick Fix, absolutely. Is this hard? It's going to be a little challenging. So we got our X and Y yesterday, so we know how to get our characters there. Second like done. Thank you very much, Ruchi. Appreciate it. So we need to make this work really well right here. That's going to be the idea. We got to make that work really well. Yo, hey, Ruchi, thank you for the 100. You sent it so early that the notification system hasn't had time to warm up yet. So it didn't pop up. Thank you, Ruchi. My gratitude to you. Make a video game? Oh, we could. Today, we're going to be making a draw app. We're going to make a draw app so that way you can see, we're going to draw, and then it's going to transmit that over my face. We're going to try to make that work. You were the first like. Hey, Quick Fix, thank you. You did. All right, good to hear it. Let's see where we're at now. Where did we leave off? So this is our whole screen here. So we got our chords. Did we say the channel? What channel are we going to put this to? All right, let's see if we can send this data. I also want the sequence ID. Message. So what kind of payload do I want? I want my const message equals our X and then our Y and then our Z. Get a little bit of data there. And right when I clicked, like the stream. Agony, thank you very much. Appreciate it. You're wonderful. Steven, your notification system warmed up. Please update. It's just Streamlabs. It's Streamlabs. Yo, Immortal, good to see you. Happy Friday, Steven in chat. Good to have you here. Welcome on in. Thank you. Yo, Immortal with the hydrate. Hey, all right. Well, you know what? I got my water right here, so can you see my water? How can you see it? Can you see it? Yeah, you can see it right there. Okay. Here we go. Yo, Linum. Hey, Ruchi. Hey, it's warmed up now. Look at that. There we go. Hello, Linum. Thank you very much, Ruchi. My gratitude's to you. Thank you for the 100. You're wonderful. Just kidding. Wait, were you? All right. Oh, I saw. All right, here we go. Let's see if I can get our X and Y going. Y. And we also need our sequence ID, right? Sequence ID. And then we also need to regenerate. So let's do our let sequence. SEQ ID. How about we just set that to 0 right there? A little bit of 0 right there. So we can say our sequence is going, well, not our sequence ID. We need our sequence ID is fine. I think that's fine. Hey, I was going there. Milana, welcome on in. Hey, wait, what is that? Oh, thumbs up. Hey, thank you for the thumbs up. Good morning, good afternoon. Hey, Joe, good to see you. Welcome on in. Gonna code so fast before everything distracts you. I know. Gotta code fast. Let's see if we can get our next song going here. All right, here we go. Sequence ID is gonna be a sequence ID right there. Sequence ID, perfect. Okay, so that gives us our message. And then, yo, Joe Codes. Hey, good to see you over there on the purple Twitch app. Let's see how much code we can get going here. So let me see if I can get our sequence ID here as well. And then I need to increment that. Can I just increment it here? Why don't we just do that? We could just do that right there. We could also do some variable shouting, right? Const sequence ID equals sequence ID plus 1. Can we do that? Is that something that we could do? Actually, I'm kind of curious if you could do that in JavaScript. Do you guys know? Can you do this in JavaScript right here? Can you do that? I don't know if you can do that. Yo, what's going there? Arsha Makta. Good to see you, Arsha Makta. Welcome on in. Happy Friday. Good to have you here. Is that going to work? Let's find out. Unexpected ident. Whoops. How about that? Is that better? Oh, wait. No, we still got a problem. Okay. Reference caught. Sequence ID before initialization. Okay. So you know what? It is initialized. It is. It's right here. It's right here. It's initialized. See? Right there. Right there. It's initialized. Why is it not like that? Why can't you do variable shadowing in JavaScript? Can you not do that? Maybe it's because it's already predefined, so reference cannot access sequence before initialization. Yeah, I initialized it right here. It's initialized right there. See? Look! It's just being variable shadowed. Ahoy! Hey, how's it going there, Nacho? He's back again. Loved your last stream. Learned a lot. Hey, great to hear it. Let's learn some more today. Let's do it. Let's learn more. Let's see if we can figure this out. So apparently JavaScript doesn't support variable shadowing. So that is something that won't work. All right. So, well, I mean, it should be able to. How about we just say sequence equals sequence ID? How about that? Well, it's a little bit better now. What's your GPA? Wait, hey, Light Person 5. Good to see you. Welcome on in. My GPA was very bad. It was very bad. It was below 3. I'm not going to give you the specific answer. I don't know how much I can give you. I'm also, hey, it's late over there. Maybe remove the const. Oh, no, the const is fine. The const should be fine. Channels not defined. Oh, so now I've got another error here. Where is that at? Channel here. This is it here. Whoomp, like that. All right. There. All errors gone. Hey, there we go. Looking good now. So the error account for chess. Hey, chess. I love that game. You're initializing by redeclaring it with a const. See, that's what I want to do. I want to do that. You can do that in Rust. Why can't I do that in JavaScript? Let's go. We did it. Yeah, so we figured it out. See, look. We just changed it. Says speaker. Wait, Zenthal. Yo, say speaker. Speaker. There you go. Yo, Facto Cow, what's happening? Good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Friday. Good to have you here. We're going to be building HTML, JavaScript, CSS app that lets us draw on a canvas, and then you can paint on my face. You'll be able to paint on my face. I'm looking forward to it. Say speaker. All right. You didn't like school either? Hey, I didn't either. Yeah. It was a lot of potential. You applied himself. You just didn't teach anything. So you were interested in, yeah. They got to teach us something that's interesting is what you got to do. Need a little bit of interesting there. Bedrock server for your, oh, hey, Proxmox. Hey, quick fix. All right. Good to hear it. Get that Minecraft Bedrock server going. All right. Let's see. All good here. Looks good. Now I'm just going to double check if I can do, no. Save. I want to save this. Save. Double check. All right, doesn't like that. It's not a fan. Okay, that's fine. No worries. However, this can't be a +1. It has to be a ++. Like that. Yo, Icy Box, good to see you. Ola's. Quick hello to all. Good to see you. Welcome on in. Yo, I was going there, Leon. Hey, I hope you are doing great. I'm encountering a problem on your web scraping app. Hey, okay. Scrape lock authenticated websites through cookie header. How do I make the web automatically download the PDFs such that everyone would get the files without being directed to the web root? Okay, so the best thing to do is you can use a web browser first to figure out how to download that PDF. If you can download it with Chrome, what you can do is, this is a pretty neat trick, open up your dev console. Open up your dev console right here. Watch this. Your dev console here, right? So you can open this up here, and then you go to Network tab. You go to the Network tab. You see all these resources. Find the one that's the PDF. Ready? Check this out. This is a neat thing that you can do. Find the one that's a PDF. You right-click on the PDF. You click Copy as Curl. Copy as Curl. Then that gives you all the headers and everything you need in order to download a PDF automatically with your web scraper. You're going to find out all the things that you need to know. I hope that gives you what you're looking for. Hey, let's go in there. Tourist Eyes 1, my brother Steven. Good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Friday. You don't like school at all? Me neither, light person. Did not like school. I dropped out. Everyone that troubles me. Yeah, it would be better if to do coding on your laptop, right? There you go. That's what I did. All right, sounds good, Doxo. Sounds good. I see talking about protection over there. Okay. The software engineering skills cannot be underrated. They sure cannot. They sure cannot. We can get everything done. We can achieve anything that you want to achieve, you can achieve, I think. Thanks, Leon. Absolutely. You learned a new thing today. Yeah, copy curl. It's going to give you the answers. Yo, Nacho, what'd you say over there? Use shared folder that anyone in the house could share files with. Oh yeah, from a device on the Wi-Fi. You thought I was a genius. Oh wait, that was I mean, it's useful. It's a useful technique. It is. It's very neat. It's very useful. All right, let's see where we leave this off out here, guys. Let's get going on this. Do we have a sequence ID? Yes, there we go. Sequence ID applied, and we are sending the data. Let's double check that that is working. I'm going to open up our network tab. Let me double check here. Yep. All right, that looks good to me. Hey, we're looking good there. Okay, so what I need to do now is also receive data on that channel. And I've got multiple channels, right? So I've got more than one. So we need to receive the data there. Let's see if we can make that work, you guys. Let's see here. So I want to grab in my receiver. We don't need that. We need the receiver here. Okay, so receive paint events. And then we also need the user ID, right? So let's do user ID, user ID, user ID. There we go. All right, make sure we add that in there. And then we're going to put the XYD there. Perfect. We got our metadata. Looking good. Do you code all day? Hey, Light Person 5. I mostly do, yeah. Mostly. Not all day, really, though. I talk to customers. I meet up with teams sometimes. I've got various meetings throughout the day. And I use Claude Code sometimes, yep. Would love to know to make a draw app. Hey, all right. Good to hear it. Ren Ocean. We're going to do that right now. That's what we're doing right now. We're getting our draw app going, you guys. Let's see here. Can we close that? No, I want that back. I want this. There we go. That's what I want right there. What was that error message? What is this right here? Attempt load failure. Oh, yeah, don't care about that. This reminds me of your P5JS days. P5? Wait, hold on. What is P5? I feel like I remember that. P5JS. What is this? A friendly tool for learning? What is this? A friendly tool for learning to code, make art. It's free, an open source JavaScript library. Exclusively nurturing community. P5 welcomes artists, designers. Oh, wait, I didn't know this was a thing. Whoa, look at that right there. We learned something new. Hello, chat. What's going on in life? What's going on? Maybe GitHub off and parties? Wait, what do you mean? Best programming streamer. Hey, Phil, good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Friday. Thank you, Phil. You're back. You're back. Welcome back. Hello, Mr. JK. Mr. JK, good to see you. Welcome on in. Hello. Good to see you. Hello. How do you use Claude Code? Do you understand the code it provides? Yes, all the code it provides. Yes, absolutely I do. I do. I know what it's doing. I know what I want it to do, and I would build it the certain way. I have it build the way that I want it to build. For the most part, I give it freedom. I do. I give it a little bit of freedom. Where is our debug window here? There we go. Perfect. Okay. You're going to have a hackathon in 3 hours? Oh, hey, Linum. Nice. All right. Sounds good. Enjoy the rest. That is a very short amount of rest to get in just 3 hours is not a lot amount of time here. All right. So where are we leaving off here? So we need to receive our paint events. So we're going to say pubnub.subscribe, pubnub.subscribe. And we need to receive, I believe, our messages, which is going to be a callback with our messages here. Messages, I think, right? Is this what we need to do? Is that what that looks like? I think it might be. I think it might be. My first love, GitHub and laptop, small life chat. You tell me about your small life. Wait, what does that mean? What do you mean about small life? I'm actually kind of curious. What do you mean small life? I don't understand. What does small life mean? All right, where are we at here? Subscribe, paint, okay. Looking good. All right, did we receive the data? Are we receiving data? That's what I need to check here real quick. Go to my network. Okay. Are we receiving data? It looks like we might be. Let me double check here. Let's go to stream. There it is. Hey, look at that. All right. Hey, how's it going there, Hater Omar? Good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Friday. Good to have you here. Hi, good to see you. All right. Lots of hellos over there. All right. This is what I'm looking for, you guys. This is great. I love this. All right. So, hey, Sergio. Hello there, engineers. Good to see you. We're doing HTML, CSS, JavaScript today to build a painting app. We're going to rewrite it from scratch. You saw, hey, how's it going there, Aksha? Good to see you, Akshay. Hey, what's up? And Darsh, hello. Hello, you guys. You guys are fantastic. Good to have you here. All right. Let's see, where did we leave off? So we got our message. Let's do a console r.log. Let's look at the messages. I just want to see what's inside of that real quick. Just a little peek in there, Yo, Ashford! Hey, Winnie Oot! Good to see you. You missed Rust already? I know, right? Hey, we'll go back to Rust. We'll go back to Python at some point. We're going to do some Haskell. Yeah, we're going to learn some Haskell. I'm looking forward to that. We got a lot of things to do, you guys. We're using JavaScript. You would not catch me using Java. No. No Java there. A place where we find peace. Oh, wait, a place where I find peace. Okay. Let's see. What is that? So you said your small life. Playing video games, probably. Yeah. Play video games for peace. That's it. We have a pub and a sub in the same code. You got it. Yes, we do. It's self-pubbing and subbing. Because that's going to be where we're going to draw. We're going to draw this. You're going to see how fast the technology is. So you can see it's going to be great. It's going to be fantastic. We also need to subscribe to a channel. Let's see here. We need to subscribe to multiple channels. Yeah, lock in. Hey, we're going to make it work. It's great to be back. Hey, good to see you again. You're trying to learn Python right now. Bought a couple of books. Would be cool to watch a Python stream. We will go back to Python. We will. So, no Java. Got it. You got it, Winnie Root. You got it. No Java. Not going to happen here. No, think so. All right, so this is the paint events. This is going to be our coordinates. We're maybe going to do that. We're going to do the command separate. So let's do channel.chords. Where is this at? I need this to match. This has to match here. Paste that. Okay, looking good. Okay. Stream reload. Yeah, there we go. Let's see. Can I do a search on that filter? All right, let's see. Stream. Yeah, look at that. All right, good. Let me double check. Can I get rid of that? Okay, I want to see just... I need to make the window a little bit bigger here for a second. Yes, that's what exactly I'm looking for. Okay, perfect, you guys. Yo, hey, Kyle, good to see you with the JavaScript, Rust, Python, and Vim. I love those. Those are my favorites. That is happiness right there. That's happiness. Looks cool. Can you talk about the PubNub's tech stack? Yes. So we're a globally distributed message bus. Kubernetes. We use Pingor for the load balancing. We have our own proprietary C and Rust distributed internal message bus that it broadcasts and replicates data across all the regions. Tech stack. We have more there, though. It's not just those things. We also use a Trino for data processing. We have Cassandra, some Elastic. We've got Postgres. We've got so many different pieces of tech in there. If you're curious about one particular point, I can very much help you there. Everything that you see here on the screen for this section here and this section here as well, these two, the pub and sub, are all 100% either C or Rust. End to end. Maximum performance. Does PubNub host hackathons? Yes, we have. Yo, NASA fans, good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Friday. Good to have you here. We do have hackathons. Winnie Ute, I don't think so. We've done hackathons externally before. Internally, we do hackathons all the time. Well, at least a couple times a year. So that counts as some of the time. Let's see. Really thanks for talking about the curl part. For scraping. Cool trick. It's a good trick because it will give you everything you need. All the headers, and you can just copy and paste those. Oh, you're good to go. Not Spencer, you're late to watch. Hey, you're good to go. Not some fans. Good to have you here. Hey, no worries. So let's see. Where did we end off here? Let's go back to our console. Looking good. Okay. Reload the page. Yes, that's what I'm looking for. Right there. All right. Now that we have all of our data being transmitted and being received, let me double check here. Let me hide that. Let's hide that so we don't... Is this the only console we have there? Okay, good. The only console. Let's go here. Yeah, there we go. Now we can start collecting the events and have like a limit. So we can do... What do you call it? We need to grow. We need a data structure, you guys. We need a data structure for all the user events. A data structure for all the user events. Very cool. Thank you. Sounds like an awesome product. Hey, good to hear it. Thank you. Curious about the Kafka Kubernetes. Yes. Were you tempted to cloud serverless offering? We were. Data structure. Rah. Yeah, we're going to do a data structure, you guys. All right. It's a const. We need our something here. We need something. something right there, you guys. Woohoo, data. Yeah, let's make it work. Let's make it work. All right. So let's say we do use, so we've got our Kafka, which is not our full data pipeline, right? Kafka is too expensive for all the transactions going through the system. So we only capture some of the events going through our system into our Kafka bus. Otherwise, all of the messages going through our network are custom coded with Rust and C. Kafka is Java. It's a JVM. It's too expensive. It's too expensive. A queue of point. Yeah, pretty much, right? So some of the things that we need to do to process events downstream, we capture those events, put them into the Kafka, and then subsystems will capture those events and then process them separately. Now, we cannot use that for a full data pipeline. Kafka is too expensive. So we have to use another approach. We cannot use JVM. JVM too expensive. JVM, yo, Elijah. Hey, Elijah, thank you for subscribing. You joined the right channel for software engineering. Good to have you here. Welcome on in. You joined the right channel for software engineering. Today, we're building HTML, CSS, JavaScript to build a drawing app. Yo, Larry Cherry. Hey, Larry Cherry, thank you for subscribing. Welcome on in. You joined the right channel for software engineering. HTML, JavaScript, CSS today. Daniel Cohen. Yes. Hey, Daniel. How's it going, Daniel? What are you working on that's fun these days? What exciting thing, Daniel, are you working on? I'm actually kind of curious. Let me know. If you want to tell me, you don't have to tell me. There's no expectations on that side. I'm just kind of curious if you have any exciting things that you're working on right now. All right, we have to fix this here. We need a data structure, which is just going to be an object. There's only arrays and objects. So I need to figure this out. Let's pseudocode this really quick. So let's do a quick little pseudocode here. A smidgen of pseudocode. Explanation point arrow there. Wait. How do you close? Is this how you close it? Is that no? It is. It is this, yeah? Why isn't it giving me the fun fancy arrows? Let's see here. Yeah, oh, whatever. We're fine. All right, whatever. Okay, so we need to do some pseudocode here. JavaScript, your favorite. Hey, Keza. Yes, Keza. We're doing some JavaScript. You just noticed the subtitles? Hey, they're pretty good, yeah? Winnie Ute. Is that going to work? Winnie Ute? Winnie Ute. It's not going to spell your name correctly, but at least there's subtitles. Yo, Mule, how's it going? When I was running all of your simulations, I learned to hate coding. Did you really? Wait, no, coding is great. Don't forget to hit that like. Thank you, Joe. Appreciate it. Hey, Linum, what is IRS? What is that? What do you mean? What is IRS? All right, where we left off here on this side of the screen. So we need to figure this out here. So when data received by a user, right? We need to add to draw dictionary, and then we need to append point, sort by sequence ID, and then also cap it. We need to slice it, and then slice it. Sort by sequence ID, and then slice by last 100 points. Okay, so when received, add to draw dictionary, and then we need to append point to a array, to user array, right? Sort, resort it, slice by last 100 points. Testing pressure, fluidity rates, surge rates, parts, failures, etc. It got brutal. That sounds actually pretty brutal if you have to deal with that level of it. What do you call sensor data, right? So it's a large stream of data that's coming in, and you need to process it. Sorry, English is your mistake. Oh, any mistakes because you only have learned? Hey, all good. Nozzle fans, I understand you pretty well. Sometimes you watch your streams and don't understand what you're saying. Oh, okay. That's no problem. Well, I'm glad to have you here, NASA fan. Would sort be necessary because it comes in order anyway? So you're right. However, what if someone's hacking? Right? What if someone's hacking? So we need to think about that. What if you are sending data and you are overwriting it? Right? What if you sent it out of order? What if another user intentionally sent it out of order, right? We have to fix that. So I'm thinking about the hacks. Yo, Logan Stevens, good to see ya. Welcome on in. Happy Friday. You're a big fan of Golang. Cool for concurrent IoT data ingestion. Yes, I agree. heard of async stuff in Rust. It's tricky. It is tricky. It very much is so, unless you're using the most recent version, and also if you're using Tokyo. Tokyo is very helpful. See, oh, are you doing multiple cursor canvas? Yes. Yes. Hey, Fractal Cal. Yes, that's what we're doing right now. We're going to be building it. We're going to be building it a little bit important. So let's see. Sort sequence, slice, and then paint. Paint all. We want to receive these things separate. And then we need to have like some sort of like a run loop or maybe a game loop. So that way we get 60 frames a second, right? And then we paint everything. We paint everything. And then we clear the canvas and paint again. So paint, clear, paint, clear, paint, clear, right? So that's a separate loop. Okay, so we need a run loop here. We need to do a render loop. So we need to paint all draw points. And then clear screen, paint all draw points, render loop right there. Yo, the Corey, hey, welcome on in. Good to see you. Hey, man. Oh, that's insightful. I never thought of that. Is it like replay attack? Yes. I mean, it's pretty, you can think of it like that. It's user injection. They're going to say, hey, here, take a look at this. I bet you weren't expecting this. What's it going to do? The screen could explode if I didn't take care of that. It seems like you moved the camera's position. Oh, wait. Or my eyes are wrong. Hey, Nasafan, you're paying attention. How did you notice that? I didn't move it that much. Okay, Nasafan, yes. At Nasafan, yes. Is it good? Is it good? Do you think it's good? Yo, hey, the Corey. Good. Thank you for saying hi again. Thank you for clicking the hello button. All right, so let's see here. Let me see. So this is what we have to do. We have to take care of these items here. All right, looking good, looking good. Okay. I am interested in implementing the tech here now. Let's do this. All right, so we need our user. I need to name the dictionary or something. You know, that's cool about AI. I learned that's better. It is better. You think it's better? Okay, good to hear. Nice. At Natsafan. Thank you. Thank you. So you know what's cool about AI? You learned when you talk, it reads your words as code, numbers them mathematically, calculates the search, its vectors, space to retrieve data. Mule. Yeah, it's pretty neat tech, right? It's pretty neat. I'm into it. We've built it multiple times on stream before, and we were successful. You're only just realizing that you have live subtitles. Oh, ABG. Yes, AGB. Yeah, they're fast because instant. Are you on a delay? Does it look like a delay? Or does it look like we're like real time? Like how fast are we? Does it seem like it's fast? Whose skin are you wearing? Hey, Joy2Up! Are you saying how old I am? Are you talking about my age over there? You're saying, hey, hold on, this guy's old. He's scary. He's scary looking. Joy2Up, good to have you here. Welcome on in. Okay, I am Here we go. All right, let's add in the dictionary. Thank you, Kyle. You know, there was a Hugging Face space called Stable Diffusion Multiplayer, and people would generate one big canvas. It was amazing. Oh, Fractal Cal. That sounds like a good idea. I like that. Chill. Yes, absolutely. Hey, how's it going over there? Thank you for saying hello. No, subtitles are instant. Just wondering if you have a deliberate delay in place so the subtitles can be computed and published to the video audio. Yes, it is synchronized with the video and audio. It is AGB. Yes, you got it. It is synchronized with the audio. It is. You got it. You figured it out. Hello. Hey, how's it going there? Mercia Jawaran. wait, let me say your name. Hold on one second. I'm going to see if you got a good name here. 1 second. Good channel. All right. Mercia Goran. Good to see you. Welcome on in. Hello. You moved the camera position up a bit. Yes, I moved it a little bit up. I'll probably mess with it a little bit more because it's up really high now. So I'm going to try to, because the thing is my monitor is right here and I didn't want it to like peer into the monitor, so I had to make some adjustments. Is there a delay with stream? There's a slight delay, but it should be fine. It should be fine. You guys might not notice. What's your first startup idea? My first startup idea was to build video games. That's right. I made video games. I did. I made some video games. My actual legit startup idea where I made money was called LT Sun. It was similar to Squarespace or Wix, where you have an online WYSIWYG editor. What you see is what you get. WYSIWYG. Bet you don't know about WYSIWYG. Right there. WYSIWYG, right? So it let users use a web browser to edit their website. And I sold that. You notice the camera moved up? Yes, good notice. You noticed well. Thank you. Fun fact, your no viewers are looking down on you. Actually, as a power dynamic factor effect, it's known as Cayley's. So wait, Kyle, are you saying this is good? Flip with Kyle. So the camera angle is improved? Is it improved is what you're saying? And nice how you noticed the camera moved up. Yeah. What tool are you using for the subtitles? Thank you for asking. It's a software technology that we wrote 8 years ago. If you're interested in adding this to your stream as well, you can add these subtitles live right here. It is on our Discord. If you are interested, Discord, I will copy and paste that over to our link share. Link share. There you go. If you're interested, there you go. Hey, video, good to see you. DZ, welcome on in. No eye level would be better, or looking up at you. Oh, Kyle. Okay, flip this Kyle. Thank you. I will change after stream. I'll change it after stream. Thank you, Kyle. You're good at answering quick questions. How was the move from 9 to 5 to focusing on your own stuff, PubNub, and streaming? Well, it was natural. It was natural because it's been kind of doing that since a younger age. Link Discord in bio. Yes, link Discord is in bio. Thank you. It doesn't matter, just psychology BS. Well, I want to do it the correct way. I want to optimize it for the most benefit. Yeah, I want to optimize it for the benefit. So Kyle, thank you for mentioning. I want to optimize it. So we're over here. Okay, going back over here. Thank you, Kyle, for the Discord link. All right, where do we go on our adventure? Eye level would be better, or looking up at. All right, so I'm going to change it to eye level. All right, I will. Okay, I'm going to do my best. The problem is I've got the monitor right here, and so I need to figure out how to adjust it appropriately. Okay, draw. So let's see if we can get some of this code going here. All right, so this needs to be user points. User points. I don't like that term. I don't think that makes the most sense. User, maybe what if we do user draw? Is that a little bit better? Something like that. And then that is our main canvas. You're already joined your Discord? Oh, not fans. Yes. Let's see here. Close this out. Yo, Ahmad, good to see you. Ahmed, welcome on in. Happy Friday. Good to have you here. Let's see, 1 second. I want to get my draw going. All right, so we got our draw. We got our sequence ID that auto increments. Let's bring this over here. I think we'll split that up there. Perfect. Okay. We got our PubNub over here. All right, looking good. I'm going to bring this up here so that way it brings this. Now we know what our canvas is. We know what our state data is, keeping it a little bit separate. User tracks. All right, I like it. Tracks. Thank you, Linum. What are your PC specs? All right, here we go. All right, H top. Here you go. So we've got 16 core M series processor on the Mac. Little M series processor there. So it's a good built-in GPU. I believe it's got around like 40 core GPU, something like that. And we got 128 gigs of RAM here. Woo. Get that going right 1 second. Here we go. Okay. Yeah. 128 gigs of RAM. 128. Here we go, you guys. Okay. Looking good on that. Okay. Resize pane. And then we'll go down. We'll say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There we go. Okay. So now you can see my specs right there. 13 core and 16. Yes, asking for help. Wait. What do you mean asking for help? How do you mean? It's just hardware. That's a high-end PC. Pretty nice. It's pretty good. It's last. I believe it's last year's model, or maybe it's this. It's a early year model. 100% XJSK, a whole bunch of keystrokes there. All right, I don't know what you're saying. So let's see going on over here. I want user tracks. And then when we receive events, all right. So what is the event here? Are these all individuals? They are. So we just need to say message, not message, because we are especially appropriate here. Perfect. All right, looking good. Perfect. How old are you? Hey, I'm in my 40s. I'm old now. Raising 134 million is crazy. Hey, yeah. So let's see here. Thank you for asking. My name is Stephen Blum, CTO, co-founder at PubNub. Todd Green is my co-founder. We started the company over a decade ago. We raised $134 million. Series E venture capital, 1 billion devices on my network, you guys. Joy to Op. Good to have you here. And since you saw the 134 million, if you want, I also have 68 patent claims granted. I have them listed on my what do you call that? LinkedIn here. It's around here. It's on my LinkedIn. There's patents. Here we go. Patents. Perfect. You can see all the patents here. If you are interested. You have any thermal problems? No, actually not even a little bit. The fan never turns on. I'm sure it's going very quietly, but I can never hear it. I never hear it. I never hear it, you guys. All right, let's go back over to our window. Here we go. Okay, perfect. IO overreacher. Wait, what do you mean EO overreacher? What do you mean? Canvas based. Hey, yes, Nathnolt. Hey, Nathnolt, good to see ya. Welcome on back. Yes, this is canvas based. We're doing HTML canvas based here. So we got our canvas right here. So we're going to be doing, what is it called? Fill stroke. We'll do. Is it stroke? No, it's a line path. I think it's a line path, and we're going to draw them for each user. So we're going to create if I'm going to implement this, we're going to add. So let's see. We need to add this here. Let's create a separate function for this. So let's grab a separate function. Let's go. Yeah, where should we put this? So the functions are defined. I can bring them to the bottom. No, however, yeah, this is probably fine, I believe, yeah. So we'll say function, add user track, and then we're going to have our message, and then we're going to call this, so that way we can keep code clean and simple. Keep it just a smidge simple and clean, yeah? So we're going to say add user track, message, there we go, and then double check this, that we're grabbing everything correctly. So that way we don't have to have like extra indentations there. Canvas. Yeah, there you go, Jokos. What language can you speak? English. There you go. One language. However, from a programming language perspective, I know JavaScript, Python, Rust, Ruby, PHP, a little bit of Erlang, not much Haskell. We've got Perl, PHP, if I didn't mention C, C#, C++. We can keep going. Yo, Samuel, good to see you. Welcome on in. Yo, you're back. Good to have you here. You speak all the programming languages. There you go. You think to do begin path or something? Yes. Yes, that's what we're going to do. We're going to do that. I have some reference here from our previous code here. So we're going to have a line. Begin path. Hey, you know it. It's begin path. Yeah. We'll have a line width. And then we're going to do a move and line and a stroke. So I need to see how we're going to do that. Let's see here. Draw. User coordinate. Begin path. So we're going to have to figure this out. Basically a genius in coding. Hey, we spent a lot of time practicing. We sure did, Mule. We don't have enough time to go through all of the languages, you know. I know it's a lot of languages. It is. Don't worry, though. They're all the same eventually. They have, what do you call it? Flow control, loops and if statements, things like that. Variable assignment, expressions, and then common other patterns that you need. String manipulation, right? Buffering, data buffer manipulation, arrays, hash maps, things like that. They're all the same. They're all the same. All right, let's see if we can grab this. I'm going to try to create a simpler version. So I need to think, how are we going to do this? So we've got a begin path, and then we're going to stroke the lines. So where is this? Move to and line to. What's the difference? What's the difference between these two things? Do we know? Here, so Google move to versus line to in Canvas to Canvas HTML. All right, let's take a look at this real quick. All right, move to repositions the virtual pin to a new coordinates without drawing anything. Oh, hey, okay. So that makes a lot of sense. Perfect. Okay. So then we'll use a move to. We'll use a move to per user. Okay. So we do a move to and then a line to and then bop, 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 bop. All right. So for every user, we do a move to. All right. Move to and then a line to, and then we do a stroke when we're ready to draw. Hey, this is gonna be neat. We're gonna get some extreme performance here. I'm looking forward to this. Oh, it's gonna be great. Do you have a penny drop moment when you can share through your learning process that made you see similarities between languages? Yeah, probably, yeah. So what was it? C++ did not give me that, right? That was my first language. Mistake to learn C++ as your first language because it's quite challenging. The next one is, what did I learn next? I think basic, and that didn't click over. Maybe some visual basic there as well. And then with the DIMs, remember the DIMs, the DIM? Cool, is it? The penny drop moment would be JavaScript. When I recognized that JavaScript and PHP had similar things, right? String manipulation and JavaScript and PHP. That's the moment. That was it right there. That was the penny drop moment. How do you understand programming languages without AI? Oh, hey, I didn't have that back then because when I did this, there was no AI. There was no AI that helped you build it. Not like back then in time. You only know Java, but writing and creating something is really hard for you. Well, Mikey, because you are at a disadvantage, you have this technology called artificial intelligence code generation. It's generative AI. It lets you build and write code without you having to do any work whatsoever. Well, I mean, you have to sit in front of the computer and like wave your hand at it, right? Like beckon. You beckon to the computer. It won't get easier unless you stop using AI. That's it. What were floppy disks like? Hey, I remember that. Remember those? The floppy disks? Well, the floppy disks that we had were floppy. There were also like hard versions of floppy disks that were like 1 megabyte, like 1.34 megabytes. These like square diskettes. The floppy byte diskettes. They were still called floppies because the disks were floppy, but they had a hard outer shell, like a Christmas tree. We need millions more like him. Hey, I was a bunch of people working on AI going over codes, and they have AI write program itself. About 70 or so percent, they seem to mess up. They will mess up, especially later in the context. So it's floppy. There we go, Craig Pauls. Yep. Floppy and stiff. Yep, I'm with you on that. Good to see you, Craig Pauls. Welcome on in. Happy Friday. Oregon Trail. Yeah, I played that on floppy too. That was in our library. There's no intelligence AI. People source code and make it overfitting inside the mega computers. You don't understand this probably. Overfitting. They are trying to make it so that way the generative output on the code is going to be as structured as possible in a way that works and compiles. It won't be as creative though. Using AI to write code is like hammer and nail and brick. It will work, but it's not optimized. You're right. You're absolutely right. It's like big, it's like giant, like Duplo blocks, like huge Duplo blocks, right? You throw them down, they stack and they make a building. However, if you need to optimize something and build something very specific, they're going to struggle. Hey, do you remember me? Yo, Emmanuel Garcia. Of course I remember you. Good to have you here. Happy Friday. You play Minecraft. Not a fan. Minecraft. I'm of the Minecraft era. You're bad. AI programs 70% of itself. Then when they review that code, some do not understand the code that they still instill in the code into the system. Wait, Mule. I understand a little bit what you're saying. You're saying that the AI is having a challenge on understanding its own code that it wrote itself. Is that what you're saying? Okay, let's see here. 1 second. Okay. Having AI write code is tedious. It needs constant feedbacks. Yeah, it is. It's a lot of what do you call it? A bunch of. Hey, there we go. That's what I'm looking for. All right. Babysitting. It's like babysitting. Yeah. All right. Where are we at here? Where we need to go to the next step here. HTML5 canvas. So we know line to and move to. So let's append our points here. So user tracks. Let's see. ID. So if let's see. Wait. User ID equals message dot user ID, and then we're gonna grab the sequence ID. Yes. We'll grab the sequence ID in the cursor positions. So user ID, and then we say if user ID in, or we should say not, if not user ID in here, then we need to make it inside of it, right? So we need to make a new one. Just grab that here, inside. Steven, check out my image on Discord General. Sounds good. C++ is really hard. Yeah, it is pretty tricky. It is. Yo, after a long time, came back to you. Hey, Shubham, good to see you. Welcome on back. Good to have you here. Happy Friday. We're doing some more HTML and CSS today, you guys. Some JavaScript to build a drawing app that you'll be able to see on my face. You'll be able to draw on your face. Yo, Battle Chest. That's some OG right there. That is a look at that. What? Windows 3.0? Seriously? Microsoft Windows 3.0. Yo, thank you for the hydrate, Joe. I needed that. You made your own little pub subsystem. Yo, Nathnal, that's fantastic. And you were wondering if now PubNub handles auth. Yes, we do. Because then you can't have stateless server, right? Authless. We still have stateless because it's through JWT, right? So you can still have a stateless system. It's done through message passing and signatures. Yeah, authless works fine for something like this where users have the same permissions. Yeah, so I am going to be adding in some auth here. I will. We're going to add in a little bit of auth. $15, is it? That's expensive. That's some expensive. A little bit of a spendy money there. Just a smidgen of expensive. What are we doing today? Yo, Raj! Today we're going to be using HTML, JavaScript, CSS to build a Canvas app that's going to be drawing on my face. We're going to draw on my face, you guys. When you open your Discord profile, I almost called you. Wait, did you? If you do, it'll start ringing. It'll start ringing on stream. Yo, anime artist, good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Friday. Do you drink coffee? Always see you pure water. 100% water only, you guys. This is it. This is the only thing I drink. Only water. All right, learning Python, we create... Oh, hey, Nacho. All right, you're learning Python to create your own text-based RPG. Hey, very nice. Track stats and quests and stuff. Nice, very nice. What programming language are you using? This is JavaScript right now. We were using Rust for the past 2 weeks, building a using Candle to write a variational autoencoder, which let us draw a picture of a cat. Right there, remember that right there? Yep. I see the Discord. The Discord's happening. What will ring on live? It will, yeah, it will. If you ring it, it'll ring live on YouTube. Let's see, next week is your last week at your current job. Oh, Soki, hey, before the internship. All right, good to hear. You're finishing a project in automated prompt optimization this week. Yo, Soki, it's so cool to hear. Soki, I love hearing your story and your updates. It's great to hear. I hope you're doing good, and I'm looking forward to hearing about the adventure you're going to start here. Should we all just call him? If you do, it's just going to make the Discord ringing sound. Water greatly helps kidney function. Yeah, I needed that. I stopped drinking water so much, which was a mistake. Bro, you shouldn't have said that. Hey, you know what? I'm actually kind of curious to see if anyone's going to do it. Oh, hey, Raj, you're calling. Is it ringing? It's ringing kind of. You can kind of hear it. You can kind of hear it. Here, let me pause the audio. Nope. Okay. It knows because it's in streamer mode is enabled. Streamer mode is enabled, which means that it's not going to be as loud. Hey, it's Kyle! Kyle, what are you doing? Can you hear me? Wait, I can't hear you. I don't know if I can hear you. Does it ring? Hello? Hey, Sammy, how's it going? Hello, welcome on in. Kinda, yeah. All right, is it working? Well, oh, I can't hear you. It's a problem.
Hello?
Oh, hey, it's Kyle. I heard you. What's up? Oh, wait, you might not be able to hear me very well because Discord doesn't work with my microphone setup very well.
Not too much, how are you?
Yeah, I can hear you kind of. My Discord audio call is not very good. It's not. Gummy Bear on Gummy Bear. Wait, yo, Itty. Yo, how's it going there, Itty? Itty Poo Gaming, good to see you. Welcome on in. Hey, Kyle, it's good to chat with you for a bit. I don't know if you could hear me or not. Audio and Discord is a challenge. Hey, how's it going there, Sammy? Hello. Hello. You heard him? I know I heard him too, just a little bit, yeah. You don't drink water anyway? Hey, all right. Please tell me. Wait, Sammy, tell you what? What'd you say? What was that? The cat has a cool hello poster. Yeah, it does. It sure does. There's our cat poster from the other day. Do you know why AI was so bad at text whenever it used online services to generate alien? I don't know specifically why. I don't know. Text is the pattern for text had temporal effects that the AI was not taking into account, right? Because it's got sequence and order. However, when it's looking at just patterns like this versus this, it's less temporal related, right? It's more positional. Wait, told you about what? Hey, Stephen Harsh, good to see ya. I can't moderate this. Wait, you can't? Hey, Sammy, what did you say? You said hello. I see you're saying hello. What did you say though? I missed your checks. Sammy, can you say it again? Can you say it again, Sammy? What is the project about? Oh, hey, Adesh. Hey, Adesh, good to see ya. We are building a Canvas app with HTML, JavaScript, and CSS. I know there's a cat on the screen. That's not what we're actually dealing with right now. We're building JavaScript to write a Canvas app that's going to draw a picture, allow you to draw on my face. You'll be able to draw on my face. It's going to take us a while to build, though. Just trying to make your own calculator, and C++ is killing you. I know C++! C++ is a bit effort, right? So that's what we're working on today, guys, if you're interested. Well, it's a fancy mic. It is. I know it's a fancy mic. Discord it struggles with it. It's Friday. It's Saturday. Oh, right. Wait, is it? So for me, it's 9:15 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time. Currently, it is Friday for me. Crazy. I've tried code along with you, and I don't need begin path or even move to. Oh, well, actually, it's a good point. When do we need to do begin path? Do we? I think begin path is going to trigger an internal buffer to start. Then we draw, and then we move to, and we draw, and we move to, and we draw, and we move to. So I think that's what we're going to do. Yo, Jennifer Brower. Hey, good to see you. Welcome on back. Good to have you here. Happy Friday. Welcome on in. You guys are awesome. Good to have you here. It's 2 a.m. Sydney, Australia. That's why. How's your pie? Yo, Shubham. Hey, thank you for becoming a member. Yo, whoa, thank you. Hey, you're wonderful. My gratitude's to you. Welcome on in. Good to have you here. We're going to be building a lot more videos. That's the plan. We're going to try to make more videos for you guys. Thank you for becoming a member. Shubham, you're wonderful. Still going to watch you anyway. Hey, Linham, thank you. Thank you for staying up late just for me. Over there in Sydney, 2 a.m. is very late. Jennifer Brower, absolutely. I remember you. Good to have you back. Welcome on in. Hello, everyone. Happy Friday. Hey, Hakuna Matata. Hey, it's, Lion King. We got some Lion King over here. We are 2 weeks ago. Yes, it was. I remember. Jennifer Brower, I absolutely remember that. Yeah. It's 1 a.m. You guys are up late. You are up very late right now. Yo, thank you for the water. All right, 1 second. It's Prague. It's 6:15 p.m. in Prague. Oh, all right. Hey, Nacho. Well, hey, at least it's regular daytime for you, yeah? Bro, this is boring. Hey, Jennifer Brower, I'm sorry. Oh, I didn't mean for that. Let's see, bro, I was your member before then. I forgot to renew. Hey, thank you for becoming a member again. Thank you. It's 10 at night. No, it's not quite 10 there. It would be, in India, it would be 9:37. It's 9:37 there in India, yeah? 9:37. All right, let's grab this back over here. Bring our terminal window back up. All right, looking good. Looking good. Okay. I would love to add this user tracks in. We need to add in, it's going to be a dictionary. No, it's an array. No. It needs to be a user ID. It's an array of dictionaries. User ID is an array of dictionaries. All right, like that. So we need to initialize the array of dictionaries. Bro, how do you know? Because math. You're 12 and a half hours ahead of my time. So being 9:18 a.m., that means it's 9:38 p.m. for you. Easy. IST versus PDT. Tomorrow. Oh, NASA fans. Hey, yeah, it's Saturday. Can you do one push-up real quick? It's my little bro's birthday. He wants... I don't think it's his birthday. I don't know about that. I don't know. I could, but I'm wearing pajama pants, and that would not be appropriate for stream. I need to keep this workplace safe, you guys. We are jumping in Rust. No, right? We're from Rust, so now we're doing JavaScript. You got it. Hey, let's go in there, Kyog. Wait, Kyogu. Hey, Kyogu, good to see ya. Welcome on in. Good to have you here. Math is pretty magical sometimes, not gonna lie. It sure is. On God. Hey, Jennifer Brower. I know what you're saying. Please, you have to... You might be able to coax me, though I don't want to ask for anything. There's no little Burrow birthday, buddy. I mean, no. I know, right? Are you smart in maths? No, I'm actually not. That's something that I didn't study as much. I know how to get my way around some calculus. Does that help? Linear algebra. I can do that. What are you making, sir? We are building an HTML, JavaScript, CSS app that's going to allow us to draw on the screen. And then I'm going to give you a link which allows you to draw on my face. You'll be able to draw on my face. It's going to take us a little while to get ready to go. Jennifer Brower. I know, dude. That is a phrase. He now don't break his arm with a push-up. I can do push-ups. I used to do 600 push-ups a week. I did. And then I was not gaining weight. I was losing weight. So I had to stop. So I wasn't working out for me. I was doing it for 3 years. 600 push-ups per week. You're subbing and unliking all your videos. Oh, no, Jennifer Brower. No. No. Should I drop the buff, Steven, edit? Oh, right. I know what you're talking about. Yeah, where I tried to show you my my arm. It's ready? All right, show it. If you're ready, we could do that. This is my favorite song. So we have to wait till the end of the song, though. I like this song. All right, so user tracks. Let me reload this page here. All right, got an error. Line 61 right here. Oh, my goodness. That was silly. You guys didn't tell me. All right, reload. Nope, still an error. Save. User ID equals message user ID. Okay, reload. No, it's not working. Okay, 1 second. Add user tracks. That should work. Okay. Why isn't it not console logging? Why it's not console logging? It wasn't the push-ups. Wait. Hold on. Oh, wait. Hold on. Wait. It's ready? Okay. Use smart on coding smart math. Mark 96 or A+. I don't know about that. I don't know. I'm not sure. The nutrition. Sounds like calorie deficit and not enough complete proteins. Oh, I was protein-y. I was protein packed. I was eating double the amount of daily protein. Do you ever think I'm going to electronics and Arduinos? Oh, Samuel. Yeah. That's a lot of fun. Do the microcontrollers. It wasn't the push-ups. Joe, it must have been something. The good news is I've gained back weight, so we're on track. Do you ever think to go and... So, Samuel, yes, we could do that. I would think that would be a lot of fun. We could bring in some Arduinos and other things. Peace upon you, bro. Hey, Mr. Dark Detective, thank you. Good to have you here. What's the console log before you do add user tracks, though? So we're adding it here. Add user tracks, console log, save. Let me double check. Reload. There we go. All right, now we're looking good. Why does it stop? Because it's when I'm moving my cursor. I made a drawing app when I was an intern. Oh, Kyogu. Hey, really? It was really fun? Nice. That's what we're doing right now. We're going to make a drawing app, and then it's going to draw on my face. It would be interesting to see you do an engineering sim build tech. Oh, that would be fun. Okay, we could absolutely do that. Absolutely. I can get like the second webcam up here, and then you could see like my desk view, and then we could do some maybe soldering, or maybe just some, like little pins and things like that. Just a few pins. Yo, Lily loves snow. Good to see you. Welcome on back. Happy Friday. Can you stand up? I've never seen you stand up. I mean, I'm going to stand up-ish. Here we go. All right, done. But I'm not going to show you below. We're going to keep it workplace safe here. I've got pajama pants on. Let's see. Have you been in a deficit? Lose weight? 600 push-ups a week. You need to increase. Yes. Oh, yo, it did stop. 1 second. Console. Oh, did it reload? It just cleared the entire screen. Oh, it's because there's too many. It's too fast. That's why. It's the terminal. The terminal's updating. Yo, lots of the rust. There we go. No below the waist. Yep, I know exactly. Not going to happen. Not going to happen. You got unsubbed. Oh, Lily Loves So. Oh, no. Well, good to have you back. Also, sometimes I guess YouTube does that. I've heard about that happening, though it's been like 5 years since I heard about that happening. You had to learn for personal reasons, Joe? Yeah, me too. Also, interviews. You have your company, you have interest interviews? Yes. Yes. Let's see. Wait. Also, interviews. You have poll with your company to interest interviews. I actually don't know what that means. I'm not sure. Buff Steven in meme Discord. All right, memes. And where's our memes at? Here we go. Biff Steven. This is it right there. Buff Steven. Okay.
CTO at PubNub. Billions of devices connected. Over a billion devices connected on my network right now. Devices.
Whoa! I need to bring my face back here.
Everywhere. Must what I interpret matrix. Like
Interpret matrix.
I'll show you.
Oh, whoa!
I don't know. You can barely see that.
From time ago.
That's what computer programming arms look like.
Oh, I remember this. You had a refollow on Twitch yesterday. Did you, Joe? You have a KDP. I can send free bio link. What is KDP?
Everything.
Kyle, thank you. Thank you for sharing that. Thank you, Kyle. Oh, wait, you look buff in your link pic. Do I really? Really? You think so? No. Well, maybe. Everyone knows. I don't know. Let's see here. Where's this window at? Bring this back over here. There we go. All right, cool. Crazy, yeah. My two sisters is playing slime. Lily Loves Snow. What is slime? What is slime? I don't know about that. The best thing about the stream is that you're so positive and excited to do what you do. Hey, Akshay, thank you for saying, yeah, it's a lot of fun. It's a lot of fun, you guys. What is KEP? Bionic Blink Asset Blueprint? Mule, I don't know what that is. What is that? What is that? What even is that? You just listened to the PubNub song this morning? You did? It cured depression? Isn't that great? Oh my goodness, thank you. Hey, you know what? Shubham, our Linum? Yes, a Linum. That is fantastic. Wait, I'll be back. All right, sounds good. Lily Loves Snow. Can you add someone on Discord? Yeah, like, sure. Absolutely. It's better if you just try to add me, though. I'm Stephen LB, I believe. Stephen LB on Discord, I think? Maybe? I don't know what my user is. You'll find me. You'll know what I look like. All right, add tracks. That's done. All right, let me bring this out over here. All right, so we need to get the user right in there. And then we need to say user. Here we go. Const. Let's say const user equals user tracks user ID. This should give me a reference to the item. And then I can say user.push the message. I guess let's call this the point. Maybe we'll call this the point. We could just call it the point, maybe. I'm adding you on Discord. Hey, Nuts fan. All right, good to hear it. It is an ebook blueprint. Oh, okay. Blink asset designed for people who nerve damage. Oh, where they can't blink, they have taped their eyes open. Really? I've not heard of that. That is pretty interesting. JavaScript today. Yeah, you know it. We're doing some JavaScript. That's right. Exactly. I'm going to change this up here really quick. I'm going to move it there so it's a little bit easier. Receive points. And then we got our data here. All right, looking better. Let me make sure this still loads successfully. JavaScript today. What do you think of Ethiopians? I think they are, we're all humans on the planet. What else I don't know what to say about that. I have no idea. What do you mean? I think, Samuel, everyone is able to, there's actually, I've heard about this. All right, so in Africa, right now, the continent of Africa, there is a lot of growth and opportunity there right now. I've seen it. I've heard about it. There was several stories on my NPR. Hey, Chris Ice, good to see you. Hello, welcome on in. Good to have you here. Happy Friday. I just don't want to promote anything on myself, so I just called it KDP. Oh, Mule. Well, you can do some self-promotion. Absolutely. Do you have advice for fresh graduates like me? It's really hard to find a job these days. Yes. All right, so you have to use the trick. Are you ready? Kyogu? Kyogu. If that's how you say your name, Kyogu. The trick for getting your first job is called a foot in the door. Foot in the door. It is a subordinate role that is in the industry that you're looking to get into. So it's not a programming role. It's a quality assurance. It could be tech support. It could be data cleaning, right? So look for those kinds of roles. Try to get those roles. And if those roles aren't available, then try adjacent roles to those as much as you can. Yay, there we go. You have asthma now and you have a difficulty breathing. Oh, that's terrible, NASA. Let me tell Gemini what my real name is, all right? If you want. I think Gemini probably already knows. Gemini probably already knows your real name. They keep failing at making one due to the thermal heat problems. The design solves that, but think you definitely could advance it further playing around with the design. Absolutely. That sounds like something that's always true. I think many of the cases that's always true. Thank you, sir. Kyogu. Absolutely. It is a trick. It does help. It doesn't guarantee a job. However, it makes it easier. It does. It gives you a better fighting chance. Someone knows my real name? Not so fan. I don't know. Ooh, wait. My years at Aston Martin started a 3-week temp placement. Foot in the door for the win. Hey, there you go. See? Joe is proof. Joe's got proof for you right there. Joe's got a lot of proof. All right, you guys, let's build this. Let's build this wonderful app here. Let's build it. All right, so we got to push the message, and then we need to slice it. How do we update? I want to mutate in place the user slice. I want to mutate. So where is this? User. Can we say that? I can't overwrite it, though. I need to mutate it, though. So let's see here. Google for JavaScript. Mutate, slice, limit, array, 100 elements max. Good morning, saying good to see you, saying Satan. Welcome on back. Good to have you here. Happy Friday. Are you married, Samuel Dubel? I am not married. Thank you for asking. So, good morning, my friend. My real name is my username. My YouTube name? Wait, what do you mean? Go to channel. Let me check here, you guys. It says fans NASA. Fans NASA. Oh, NASA. Fans of NASA. Oh, fans of NASA. NASA fans. Oh, I've been calling you NASA fan, not NASA. National Aeronautics Space Air something, right? What does NASA stand for? I don't know. Splice is what I want. I want splice. Array.splice. That's what I'm wanting. Using array.length also truncates an item past the 100th element. I don't want to do that. Remove all items starting from index 100 to the end of the array. I don't know if I need splice. If length, then splice it. Okay. Splice 100. Okay. This might be done on this. Okay, so this is what we want to do. Min length 100. This is weird. Settings length directly is the fastest. Number of lengths. Okay. So I want to do this. Happy Friday, Satan. Thank you. Just let me know. No, look for Zaki. Zaki. Oh, Zaki. Oh, got it. Okay. Use the technique known as Noah Guy. Hey, Nacho, Noah Guy. There you go. That's the technique right there. You know a guy and you're good to go. Math, min, nums, length, and then 100. So we say, okay. So I'm just going to use it. I'm just going to use this. All right, here we go. User, length, math mins, user.length 100. All right. Truncate to 100 points only. Right there. A little bit of truncation, you guys. Just let me know. Oh, the Bionic Blink Assist build. Oh, hey, Bionic Blink Assist build parts list. Restoring natural eye movement and care beyond the blink. Living with the Bionic Ocular Assistance is what is called for the book. Hey, Mule, good to know. Thank you for telling us the details. Just let me know if you ever want to mess around with it, and I can send it to you. If you got a screen share or a screenshot or a photograph or something like that, send it on Discord, yeah? Send it on Discord. That would be great. What's your age? I am in my 40s. Deepak Bondi. I'm in my 40s. I'm old, you guys. Never a straight answer. Hey, Crunchy Biscuit. Only directional. Directional, right? Dude, Jim, and I know your real name. It sure does. I told you. I told you it would. Somebody, oh. Let's see. That sounds like a truncate the latest point instead of the... Yeah, see? Linum, that's what I'm worried about. That's what I'm worried about. it's going to truncate all the futures. So I don't want to do that. I want a queue. I want to push and then shift. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this differently. I'm going to say if user.length, and then we should, so up here, so max line, I'm going to set up max line, const max line points. Wait, I got to do this different here. We got to do camel case because it's JavaScript, right? We got to keep everything JavaScript, camel case, is 100. So max points, max track points. How about this? Max track points, 100. And if it's bigger than the max track points, well, it says he's 42. That's pretty close. That's pretty close. That's what it stands for. NASA stands for NASA. National Aeronautics Space Agency, right? Is that what that is? Sounds like a truncate. Yes, Linum, thank you. How long have you been doing programming? I've been coding since 11, so that is over 30 years. I did the math on that. Over 30 years programming, guys. My real name, rare in USA. Zaki, yes. Hey, Cardinal, good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Friday. You never told anyone, but you unconfirmed, unsolicited, not scoped image generation in the Gemini. It made me turn off personal intelligence. There is the personal intelligence settings. That's right. Hey, Cardinal, it's good to have you here. If user.length is greater than the what was it? Did we say max? I think it was called max, yeah. So say max. Reload max track points. Then I'm going to say user.shift. User.shift. Like that. All right. So truncate. Only up to 100 points only. Like that right there. Keeping it easy. I think your age is 44. Hey, NASA fans. I'm going to say that you were close. I'm not going to say if you got it exactly. You might have. You never know. What's my first programming language? See. Kyogu, it is C++. Welcome on in, you guys. Good to have you here. Today we're building an HTML, JavaScript, CSS app that's going to allow you to draw on my face. And we're only getting started. We have a lot of work to do. Where is our next input at? There we go. Reload this. Looking good. Okay, happy about that. All right, and then let me remove... No, we'll keep that there for now. So bring this back. 100. Delete this. All right, so that'll truncate. And then we got our user points there. All right, user truncate. Okay, looks good. National Aeronautics and Space Administration. Oh, I was off. I thought it was agency. Oh, dang. Hey, BGX, thank you for subscribing and joining the right channel for software engineering. Welcome on in. Today, we're building an HTML, CSS, and JavaScript app that's going to be a drawing app. We're going to build the drawing app, you guys. Add user track. And then I need to create a render loop. Function... render. So we're gonna have a render loop here, and then I need to go for next frame. I need to grab the next frame. Start with Gemini image generation, and then you get close to what you want. Go to ChatGPT. It's a good approach. I'm with you there, Sergio. Yeah. You can do fun things like Python, where you do things like a subarray. Yeah, Python's got a really easy approach, right? So you can see like the array. And then you can use you can do slicing right here. So I can say -100, right? That'll give me what I'm looking for. All right there. Or maybe it's a -100 like that. So that'll give me the last 100 elements. So then I can say like my array user equals user or something like that, right? That'll be a really nice approach that you can do that in Python. We could do that here too. I just would rather not. Yo, Restart, hello. Good to have you back. No, Google didn't know your age. Oh, Google knows my approximate age. You're nervous so much right now. It's insane. Hey, AW9, why are you nervous? AW9. Why though? Why nervous? Hey, Steven, nice to see you again. Oh, wait, maybe you already answered it. Currently super busy. I had to rewrite an important part of the dissertation since your Chronos 2 uses... Hey! That's right. The input engineered features instead of all 14. You're supposed to add all 14 in? You could. Subarray.slice -100. Yes, Linum. Exactly. We could do that too. Sorry you're late. Hey, you're good. You're good to go. Hey, Restart. You're fine. You're absolutely fine. Let me double check that I didn't make any errors. Okay, we're looking good. Okay. So, I need to look up how to get the render loop. So if I want to make a render loop, I need to get the next frame, right? I need to get the next frame. How do we do that? All right, so get next frame. So I can draw, what do I want to draw? A frame, JavaScript, render loop. What is that? There's a way to do this. I can do an interval. I don't want to do that. Request frame animation. There we go. This is what I want right here. Request the next frame to loop infinitely. Request animation frame. Where is this at? Is this it? Start the loop? Here we go. Okay. Request the next frame indefinitely. Okay. So is this... This is not recursion. This is function calling. Okay. Yo, Helps Enterprises. Good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Friday. How are you, bro? I'm doing good. We're building an HTML, CSS, JavaScript app today. There's going to be a drawing canvas app, a shared drawing canvas app that's going to let you draw on my face. We're probably going to be able to draw my face starting maybe tomorrow or on Sunday. That's how long it's going to take us. Definitely need the slices, because would only be the n minus 100. Hey, Linum, thank you for the Python. So let's take a look at that real quick. So Python. So we're going to have an array here. 1, 2, 3. Let's do this. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then if we do -3, let's try that. It's only going to give us one of the elements. So we have to put a colon in front. Nope. Maybe the colon at the end. There we go. Hey, like that. Hey, there you go. Yeah, so we can say -100 here. And it will give us everything up to 100, right? So we could do just 1. Get us the last one or the last 2. Look at that right there. Thank you, Linum. Basically have 14 securities. And you need to construct the engineering features. Signed jumps, the yang, the zang. Just realized that the current code uses only 1 security. Oh, so you got to get them to work with all of them. Was your cat project completed? It sure was. Hey, look at that. I left it up on screen for anyone who was interested to see if we could render the cat. We sure could. We did it, you guys. Basically, a set of engineering features, each security separate. Then with 1 SQL database. Then you fed in the forecasting models. Right now at Starbucks. Oh, I guess this night would be tough. Hey, you know what? You were on the right track, though. You've got all the components you need. You just need to add in the rest of the securities. For your company, LT Sun, you founded it when you were 17. Yes, I sure did. And I was making profit. I was. Can you show it live? Helps Enterprises? Yeah, I can show that live really quick. 1 second. Did I still have it up here? Rust candle here. Cargo. Let me 1 second here. Open this. All right, so open out.png. .png. There we go. Wait, no, this is drawing my face. CD, desktop. All right, Rust candle library. Open out.png. Here's the cat. Okay. So then we do a cargo run. Cargo run. There you go. And then, see, it starts off with noise, right? And then we load it again. It's a little more cat-like now, yeah. A smidge more cat-like. There we go. That's what it is live. Right there. Here, I'll load it again. A little bit better. Is the age matters when I make cooperatio. What does that mean? What is cooperatio? Is that like a business name? Yo, Raj, good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Friday. Good to have you here. All right, let's see if we can get the cat loaded again. There we go. See, it's getting more and more cat-like. Well, I mean, it's basically good to go now, right? Cooperation. Is age matters? Yeah, it does a little bit because it requires EQ and just communication style patterns, common understanding about working together in collaboration. Yay, W. Steven. Yeah, we did it. We did it. It took us a little bit of time, and we got the cat eyes too. Remember when it was just blurry and you couldn't even see it? The wind, the way before time. The way before time, you guys. All right. So I want to do the render. Here's the render loop. So it's the render frame. So I need to say request frame animation render. Is that it right there? Is that how that works? Is that a thing? Do you guys know right there? Is this the thing I got to do? There we go, right there. How much profit? How much your profit at LT Sun? I was able to pay my bills. How about that? It didn't need a job. I didn't need a job. I paid my bills after you're done complete. Raj, what do you mean? Thanks for saying hi. After you're done complete. Oh, how long is it going to take? It'll take us probably 2 days. So today and tomorrow is going to take, and then we're going to get it working. Thanks for the motivation. Hey, absolutely, Dan. Today also first stage assessment for the position at Susquehanna. Wait, what is that? What's Susquehanna? Let's hope for the best at this point. Hey, hoping for the best. So what is your youngest age to make cooperation? Let me see. Share the GitHub link, please. If you try to send a link, it won't show up on YouTube. YouTube blocks all links. My youngest age, probably 14, I would say, that I actually did work. So I actually had a job at 14. I was a cashier. I was. So you make LT Sun, you didn't work again? I did, yeah. I had jobs. I worked again. I did. See, oh, hey, Savon. Hey, Savon, welcome on in. Good to see ya. Stream only runs Monday through Thursday. Hey, we're every day now. Are you the founder of Ubuntu? Not of Ubuntu. Hey, I was going there. Diver Purrs. Hey, Diver Purrs, good to see ya. Happy Friday. We are building a HTML, CSS, JavaScript app. It's simple. Hey, Savon, we're doing simple things today. It's going to be a drawing app. We're doing some drawing apps, you guys. We're going to draw the picture of whatever you want to draw on my face is what we're going to draw. You know the founder of Ubuntu in person? You do? No way. Young? Yeah, we've been professional. Simple enough. Yeah, yep, simple enough that you can understand. Absolutely. All right, where are we at here? Let me bring my window up. You meant the CEO. Got it. Yes, you know Mark. You do? Wow, that's impressive. That is impressive. So it's called request animation frame is what I want. Okay, let's bring this back over here. Request animation frame. Clear this out. Is that a thing? It sure is. All right, request animation frame. Render. Like that, right? Yeah, there we go. Looking good. Then we re-render it every time. Now we get the maximum frames per second without bursting it. Raj, I missed your message. What'd you say? Raj. Oh, yeah, I know we suffered with my project link. You remember? Yeah, it won't show up. It won't show up. Are you the... let's see. If I missed your message, you guys, just let me know. You worked in community, contributor to Ubuntu. I remember, Savon. I think you shared. SIG is an American privately held trading and technology firm founded in 1987. Oh, makes sense now. Yo, Mr. Danyas. Okay, Mr. Danyas. Who's that? Nobody cares nowadays? It's all AI, the young internet. Yeah, I know, right? I know, it's a thing. Share in Discord link. Oh, it's in Discord link? Yes. The GitHub link? Where'd you put it? Link share? Where's that at? I don't see it. General, maybe? Hey, Steven, did you check my website? Hey, Steven. Hey. I did not. Are you on the Discord? You gotta be on the Discord. Yo, Coder. Hey, Coder Himma. Hey, Coder Himma, thank you for subscribing and joining my channel for software engineering. Today, we're building an HTML, CSS, JavaScript app that's gonna let you draw on my face. We're gonna try to make it work here, you guys. All right, there we go. Request frame animation render. All right, now we get our canvas and we're gonna clear it and then we're gonna update it. All right, so render. We're gonna get our context, render. We got our canvas. Do we have our canvas here? We do have our canvas. Where's that at? Where's that at? Canvas and context. Perfect. All right, and then I need to say, I'm actually kind of curious about this. Oh, CSS. All right, so I want my, what do you call that? The hashtag canvas is going to be a width and height of 100. I think, right? How do we do this? How do we make it so it's perfectly aligned, right? So like this. Width is going to be 100 vertical width, and height, H-E-I-G-H-T. I think that does the trick. Yeah. We also need to say div canvas. Body and HTML has no padding or anything like that. Padding is 0. Margin 0. Like this. Like that. We gotta make it good. You guys. You think yesterday you didn't live on your profile for 19 minutes instead? Oh, I was late yesterday. I was late yesterday, you guys. I had a meeting in the morning. I had a meeting in the morning, so I could not stream until later in the day. Interviews. Work for until that's not impressive. Wait. I'm telling to share the cat project link in Discord. Oh, Raj. Okay, at Raj. Got it. Okay, yes, I'll do that right now. Here we go. It is right here. It's not called a cat. It should be called cat. I probably should call it cat. All right, link. Here we go. There you go, Raj. Raj for you. Hey, Muga fan, welcome on in. Happy Friday, Muga fan. Good to have you here. You made it. Yo, Andrew. Hey, Andrew. Hello. Welcome on in. Good to have you here. Happy Friday. Thanks, Joe. Very cool. Yo, Sports. Andrew, hello. Hey, Raj. Thank you. Absolutely. Please tell, are you good at using AI? I'm good at using AI. I am. I'm very good at it. Not only at using the Claude Code, Codex, Gemini, Anti-Gravity, you name it. Also good at making AI. Algorithm from scratch. Yo. Hey, Coder Hema. Thank you for not only subscribing, you gave us a hiding. Thank you for the hiding. My gratitudes to you. You're wonderful. Good to have you here. You just came back from the Chillette. It's really good. We slimed in the pool and you enjoyed. Really good. All right. You swimmed in the pool is probably what you meant, yeah? Yo, DevScope. What do you got over there? The DevScope? He's actually an AI wizard. Yay, there you go, Nacho. Thank you. The job interview and the disaster you went through. Collateral burnt you out. Collaterally, it burnt you out. Hey, Savon, that sounds rough. Also, any advice on how to untangle the issue in the code? I am more sure that at the Kronos repo that the cesspool of all the mistakes possible. Honestly, I don't know to resort how to fix it. So I need to see the code. I need to see where the problem was. And it's really more architectural, right? It's a web inspector. Oh, right. I remember this. Hey, I remember this. I saw that. This was fire at Ristar. That was cool. I remember it. What about tough one, make an proper AI IDE at a level to complete against anti-gravity? Oh, hey Raj, you want to make a harness? Hey, you know who knows about harnesses more than anyone here in the channel today? It's RGIK5KW. That's Savan. Ask Savan at RG at you ask them about harnesses. Savan knows because Savan made harnesses before they were a thing. Remember bed sheets? Yeah, I remember. For 2 hours or something. Hey, Muga fan, that's awesome. That's great to hear. And then you, wait, that didn't bring your PS4. Oh, you didn't, oh, the PlayStation. You got to bring the PlayStation. Don't forget. And for some reason, the house was full. We found some watermelon. Hey, there we go. Get that watermelon going, you guys. Looking good to me. Let's see if we can make some progress on our beautiful application here. Where's that at? Give me, nope, not that. I want, please let me, there we go. That's what I'm looking for. Right there. All right. Watermelon is good. There you go. Community people building stuff in here. Yeah, that's what we're doing. There's so many people building technology in chat now, you guys. It's fantastic. Challenging you to make an IDE in live. Raj, we can make a TUI. We can make a terminal user interface that would be a harness that did software engineering. We certainly could. I'm with you on that. For some reason, okay. If I missed your chat, you guys let me know. A lot flew by on the screen there. Yo, George. Hey, George. Good to see you. Welcome on back. Happy Friday. Good to have you here. Hope you're popular soon. Hey, Linham, thank you. Appreciate it. We're working on it. It's going to take a while. It's going to take a little while. We wrote a lot of code today, though. We got over a lot of code. So let's try to reload this. Yeah. Look at that. How do you set the fill? How do you set context.fill equals, let's see, red, green, blue, RGB. Let's do 000. Can we do that? I think we can. I think that might work. I don't know. No? Background fill? So background fill? Is that right? BG fill? No? Okay. We're going to figure it out, though. We're going to figure it out. Also, I'm curious to see if it's actually rendering. So it's console.log render. Double check that actually it's rendering. See. Yep, it's rendering. I see it. Render plus math.random. So you can see it. I'm going to make it so you guys can see it too. There you go. Render, it's occurring. There it goes. In 2025, make a small rocket. Wait, what do you mean? Use TypeScript with JS for more efficient. It's not more efficient. It's less efficient. You might think it's more. It is actually less efficient because it's all through transpilation. It's not more efficient. You want to use native. You want to use native JavaScript. Most random thing you found was a chillette. I don't even, what is that? Oh, that's a house, right? We learned that yesterday. I did the water spill thing. Yeah, and we did bring some candies. Hey, all right, good to hear it. I think I sent the repo and GitHub section in Discord. Yes, I remember. You did, I remember. You can resend it too. Feel free to resend. Less? What do you mean less? C is most efficient. C is the most efficient. Yes, absolutely. You're still working on teaching machine learning how to help. Hey, all right, Sergio, good to hear it. Yo, Richard Retherwick, good to see ya. Welcome on back. Happy Friday. Don't forget to drink water, you guys. There you go. Yes, Raj, I definitely saw it's in just like anti-gravity or Claude code, just not terminal, multiple agents switching and tokens. Yes, so it's actually not that hard. It just means that you have to build a loop that as a series of function calls and tool use. Basically, you have to have the model evaluate itself. It's actually not that hard. It's not that hard. It's pretty straightforward. Context up. Fill style. Hey, thank you. Let's try fill style. Hey, thank you. Fill style. There we go. A is going to be a dark back. Oh, nope. That didn't work. Why didn't that work? It should have worked. Yo. Why is that not working? Oh, maybe because I'm not clear. So I have to like, it's actually clearing it. It's actually clearing it. It's not going to set the background. It's not going to set the background there. Is that JavaScript? It sure is. CS, you got it. Definitely JavaScript. If anyone wants to study harnesses in the future, Savon is the one. DeepSeek harness, the one with the plugins? Wait, I heard lately somebody makes script C and it turns JavaScript into native binary. Super fast and resource optimized. Yes, Linum, we could do some script C. It's not production ready. And it works in WASM in your browser. That actually is a good stream idea. Hey, you guys, let's add that to our stream idea real quick. All right, stream ideas. We're going to build with script C. Script C, type script, compile, test. That's what we got to do. Some JavaScript there. Yo, hey, Coder Hema. Thank you very much for the gold coin. My gratitude to you. Thank you. Thank you very much. You're wonderful. Post. There it goes. All right. Use script C compiler to compile type script to binary WASM. Yeah, some WASM, you guys. Right there. Make it looking good. I want this to be other. Post. Boom. Done. Idea added. Toasty, like Mortal Kombat. Hey, Muga fan. I remember that Mortal Kombat Toasty. Resend and pinged. I hope I won't disturb. Yes. See, my heart is running right now. It's insane. Is it? Did you drink a lot of coffee? Are we building a webpage today? Yes, we are. We are. Exploring technology now. Let's go. Hey, Linum. Yes. Discord was giving you a hard time. Characteristic count. Let's see. Notification for Discord. Yes. Fill rectangle. There we go. Now it's yay. Hey, thank you, Kyoga. All right. Let's grab that here. All right. Click. All right. And then we all right, perfect. Save. Let's see if it make the screen dark. The screen should be dark now, you guys. Here we go. Hey, there we go. Thank you very much. Yo, it's very interesting. See, reload. Why is it not going 100 on that? That's weird. Very weird. Okay, so the canvas should have been this, but it's not. I don't know why it's doing that. Width and height. Oh, vertical height. There we go. Now. Full screen dark. There we go, Kyoga. Yeah, thank you. We should play a little bit of Mortal Kombat. Hey, there we go. Don't forget to like the stream. Hey, Joe, thank you for mentioning. Raj, I missed your message. Thank you for mentioning. All right, so Raj, let's see here. What'd you say? Can you make someday in live? Oh, sure. All right, so let's also add that as a stream idea. So make our own harness is what you're saying. All right, new post. All right, Make a coding harness from scratch. This will be AI oriented. Probably do Python. All right, so build an AI code agent that writes code for you. We can make that right there. We know how to build that. We've done that before, you guys. Wait, it can't be that 80s all over again. It is. It is the 80s all over again. It is. I know. It's crazy. There you go, you guys. Do you use the modulus sign? Yes, I love the modulus. Mod is great. Mod is great. Proper AI IDE like anti-gravity or maybe better. We're going to be I don't want to build an IDE. I mean, to build the user interface is really boring. It's so boring. Actually, wait. What if we built one in JavaScript? No, we can't do that because we need to save the files. I suppose we could, though. What if we build a web app? A web app harness. It'd be the first of its kind. You wouldn't need to download anything. You could code right there. What if we built that right there in the web browser? Wouldn't that be amazing? We could do it! What do you think? What do you think? I think that would be pretty great. I missed your message. You said I missed your message? I did? Let's see, Mugafan. You missed a message? Okay, Mugafan. You should play a little bit of Mortal Kombat. I saw it. I read them all. That's a great idea. All right, you like that one? Okay, so let's bring that back up over here. All right, so we should build in-browser harness, right? Because no one else has done that yet. Absolute whammy. There we go. It's going to be online TUI. There you go. Online TUI. Super amazing. We've got the boats, you guys. We've got the boats. Here we go. Making our way, you guys. All right. Let's see. Your favorite AI harness. Which is it? Which is it? Codex. Claude. Probably add some cursor. Or anti-gravity /other. /other. What's your favorite harness? I put a poll in there. You helped make PubNub at 2010, right? You became CTO? Yep, at 2026. Since the beginning, I started the company, you guys. I started the company with Todd Green. So I'm the co-founder and CTO. That means that I started the company as CTO. That's how you become CTO. You just create your own business and give yourself the title CTO. Boom, CTO. Easy. See, you mean live website? Yes, exactly, Raj. Yes. Raj, yes. Yes, exactly. Exactly. You know it. I'm with you on that. Okay. So, you guys, I had a lot of fun. Let me commit this code here. Let me commit this code. Let's see, git status, git rm:\w. We don't need that file. Git status, git add, git commit. And then we're going to say canvas. We got our canvas ready to receive events. RECEIEVE. Events. There we go. Push the main or extension. No, just a regular web page. You don't even need an extension. We could make an extension. That would actually be pretty cool. We could do that too. Anti-gravity and Gemini just give you so much tokens you mess around with. Hey, Linum, nice. Good to hear it. All right, you guys, thank you so much for joining today. I do have to go. It seems like anti-gravity and others are more common. It's like free buff maybe in there. Thank you so much for joining today. I will be back tomorrow. We're going to spend more time on our Canvas app here. We're going to draw, and you'll be able to draw on my face. It's going to be great. Bye, guys. You're leaving? I got to go. I have business to attend to. And didn't you just see right here? I'm CTO at PubNub. I've got to do stuff. I got to do stuff, you guys. Got to take care of things. And on Twitch, we'll try to do a raid. We'll try to do a raid on Twitch, you guys. What, already? I know. Hey, you got here late. You got here late. You're, let's see. Yeah, got to be productive. You got it, Nacho. You got it. Web apps are fast and good. Yeah, you are. There we are. Have a nice day, Steven. And I'll see you guys soon. Thank you so much for joining, everyone. See you guys tomorrow. Bye, everybody. Try to make a good luck. Yo, try it out. Make it that good luck. Good luck, you guys. All right, sounds good. Wow, teach us, make it live, and also make it open source. We will do. Nuts fans. Bye, guys. See you guys. Thank you so much, Steven. Thank you, Joe. Kyogu, thank you. Nuts fan and Linum. Good to have you guys. Mule, good to see you as well. Bye, guys. Restart. Why am I so late? Hey, I know, right? Don't worry. We'll be back tomorrow, 8 a.m., around 8 a.m. Rate someone who speaks English this time. Okay. Hey, Joe. Yeah, we did Russian last time, right? Okay, we will. Bye, everybody. See you tomorrow.